welcome to our virtual class. Students, we are reading Socialization of class 9 under the lesson 4. And before entering into the topic, we are talking here about the introduction to the topic. Our topic is socialization. Socialization, it is the word derived from the society, and socialization, it is the learning process. How we learn in society, what we learn in society, why should we learn in society, why is it important to learn the things or activities in society, that is the socialization. And it is the lifelong process. From the birth to death, we are learning each and everything. They are happening in the society. They are existing in the society. A society actually is the place where people of different nature, different habits, different behavior, different sentiment, they live there. And if we go across such behaviors, if we understand, if we gather the knowledge about the social activities, social phenomena, it is called socialization. And socialization develops the social reciprocity or mutuality. We should live together and we should have the feeling of togetherness. Such is the pillar or the key word of socialization. Now, we are entering into the essence of socialization. The activities, the people, what help to socialize us, these are the agents of socialization. There are two kinds of agents of socialization. First one is primary and second one is secondary. And primary is informal one. We are frequently touching or interacting with them. These are family, peer groups, or friends. The people live near us, they are neighbors, our kins group, and other social activities. What take place in society under different rights and rituals relating to different caste, creed, geography, etc. And another is secondary one. Secondary, these are the formal institutions. Sometimes we go to bank, sometimes we go to college, sometimes we may go to the judicial institution there. While going there, we learn different ways of interacting each other, different ways related to the area. It is the workshop of society. And these institutions, educational institutions, judicial institutions, economic institutions, or financial institutions, provide us the ways to socialize us. That is the secondary agents of socialization. Please, students, now let me distinguish it. The primary agents of socialization, it is informal one, and it socializes us very fast, and they are reliable source of socialization, and we are learning the socialization from our very birth. That is the informal agents. Second one, it is a formal one, and we go to the contact of such formal institutions occasionally, not frequently. It is under the period or it is a time bound, and I think you understood it well. And now come to the next one, that is the elements of socialization. What activities socialize us? What sorts of behaviors help to socialize us? First of all, we need language to socialize ourselves. A language, way of speaking. Language, ways of communication. And when we communicate using the language, then socialization occurs. That is simple one. And another one is socialization. Social interaction. When we interact each other, when we develop the sense we are living in society, we are helping our friends there or the family members, their socialization happens in this way. And love, care, and support, another elements of the socialization. I mean, when people live in society, have the care and love, and they think themselves very near and close. And socialization occurs when we participate in different social activities or social institutions there, then the socialization happens. And these are the elements of the socialization. Now, these students come to the importance of socialization. We already came across to the socialization. It is the lifelong process of the learning. It supports in learning the social activities. First one is that we know the society in detail. Socialization provides us the platform to know the society. What society is? Why should we live in society? We get the knowledge or the information in society, and we habituate ourselves, and we develop the feeling of the proximity or the nearness, and helps people in raising the goodness in people. And when we mix up together and we develop the good relationship, we get the help very simply from the people living society. We feel proud to be the member of society after getting the knowledge of socialization. And then it contributes individual in accomplishing social obligation and discipline. And by the socialization, we will be disciplined. Means that what is the sinful activities, what is behind us, and that is the termination. It terminates social norms and values, terminates us with what we should not do in society, and that socialization empowers us not to do such activities again in society. And this way, we learned the socialization as introduction and the agents of socialization and elements of socialization, and now the importance why it is essential for the human being. After learning the socialization of your lesson, now you student should do the home assignment. Now I am viewing it in your computer. First one is define socialization. I have already told you that socialization is the lifelong learning process of social behaviors. It is the answer. And make a table containing primary, second agents of socialization. I told you already. Primary agents, these are the informal agents like ins group and then families, neighborhood. And secondary one is the formal institutions. These are economic and then the financial and the educational institution where we go occasionally. The last question is socialization boosts of the social harmony and responsibility. Elucidate the statement with four possible reasons. And socialization provides us knowledge. Socialization empowers us with the information. Socialization erects the perfection of the human beings relating to society. Then the social harmony and responsibility in people emerge. In this way, I am ending today's lesson. I think you understood well, and we will see uh, you very soon. Have a good day. Thank you.